It's indeed my pleasure to welcome each one of the viewers and subscribers of this channel. This particular video is specially meant for ISC students who are going to appear MCQ examination, that is the first semester examination going to be conducted in November 2021. And a special focus is actually given to English paper 1 in this video. So a hearty welcome to all the students and the well-wishers of this channel. And a special request to all of you, if you have not yet subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe it before going into the video. Let us first see the contents of the video. Here we are discussing the syllabus, the question pattern, and the tips for preparing for English paper 1 examination. Let us first discuss the syllabus. Here we see that 40 marks are asked from comprehension area, 10 marks from transformation of sentences, 15 marks from prepositions, and 15 marks from tenses. In total, 80 marks questions are asked in English paper 1. And in comprehension section, vocabulary is allotted 10 marks and sentence framing is allotted 10 marks and comprehension questions are allotted 20 marks. Let's discuss about transformation. In transformation area, the following parts are included. Questions can be from simple, compound and complex sentences, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, degrees of comparison and inversion. Okay, that is a syllabus. And let's now discuss the question pattern. The paper includes 3 questions in all. Question 1 and question 2 are comprehension questions. Each question carries 20 marks. And the comprehension questions include 5 marks from vocabulary. So that is 5 words are selected from the passage, the given passage, and the appropriate meanings are also given in the MCQ pattern. So the student is supposed to select the correct meaning of the words given. That is question number 1, A, first question. And A2 is for sentences, sentence making. Actually, here students need not frame sentences. 5 words are selected from the same passage, and using these 5 words, sentences are framed. 4 options for each word is given in the MCQ form, and the students have to select the sentence which is used in a different meaning. Actually, the selected word is present in the passage itself. In the passage, this word is used in a particular meaning, and in the option, the meaning has to be in a different way. So here is where we need to have a good practice. That is, we need to have a practice of using the same word in different meaning. That is, we can have the practice of using the same word with different parts of speeches. Okay, that is a second question. And then question 1B section is 10 comprehension questions are asked based on the understanding of the passage. And of course, here also answers are also given in the MCQ. The appropriate answer should be chosen by the students. Alright, so comprehension area, total 20 marks for one question. So 2 passages are given and 2 questions. Total there will be 40 marks for comprehension area. And then the second one, Grammar section. Grammar section is also 40 marks. Question number 3. There are 3 sections here, A, B and C. A is for transformation of sentences. 10 questions are there, MCQ pattern, and 10 marks are allotted for it. And I have already given in transformation section what are the grammatical areas we need to practice. Second one is prepositions. Section B is of prepositions. There will be 15 questions and we need to select the correct option. And C is from tenses. Here also there are 15 mark questions. Total 15 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. And the difference from the previous pattern is that in the previous pattern, each question carried half a mark. So tenses was just a 5 mark area. There will be 10 dashes in a passage. And previously students had to fill these 10 dashes. They will be offered 5 marks. And here the difference is for 15 mark question, students are getting 15 questions. So that is the question pattern. So once again I repeat, there are 3 questions. First 2 questions are comprehension and the third question is grammar. Comprehension is for 40 marks and grammar is for 40 marks. Okay students, so to face English paper 1, here I am giving some important tips. First one is to face the comprehension area. Definitely we need to improve our vocabulary. Only if we have a good vocabulary, we can confidently face this examination, especially this comprehension area. So in order to improve your vocabulary, you need to read a lot. So only by reading we can improve our vocabulary. And then framing sentences. We need to get the practice of framing sentences, especially try to frame sentences using some words in different parts of speech. So different parts of speech should be used. So for example, if there is a word called park, park can be used as a noun as well as a verb. So when you use park in the form of a noun, so this is a place where children go to play. And when you use park as a verb, so it is the action of parking cars or parking our vehicles. So in 2 different meanings we can use this particular word. So similarly, so we need to use these words using different parts of speech. Such a practice can definitely improve our idea in comprehension. Okay then, now coming to grammatical area. So first of all, basics of grammar should be learnt thoroughly. So it has to be repeated now and then so that we get a correct idea of grammar. And we need to get sufficient practice also. It is better to practice now and then, because while practicing it again and again, we may not require to study it again and again. So while practicing, things remain in our mind very easily. And then we need to give more attention to prepositions and tenses as we are preparing for this first sem examination. So because prepositions are a bit difficult to handle, therefore a lot of practice is required. And then further, prepositions and tenses totally they carry 30 marks in the examination. So comparing to transformation of sentences, prepositions and tenses is slightly tough, therefore more time of preparation should be given. Okay viewers, I hope the video has been helpful to you, and we are also planning for some MCQ test series. Therefore kindly stay connected with us and attend this MCQ test series, especially from English paper 1. So it will be really useful to you, and Kindly subscribe this video and share it to your friends so that so many of your friends also will be benefited. And please stay connected with us for the MCQ test series also. Thank you all. Till we meet again, have a good stay. Thank you once again.